Artistic Meows. I freehand painted a blue nose, and I actually get pretty gosh darn close. And the nose did not look like a cucumber, so 20 realistic portraits must be a magic number. It was actually really easy to sculpt, and it really came out without a fault. Still, at the end of the day, freehand is not the way. We should paint real people and real faces and real and realistic looking places. It is best to practice by painting another masterpiece. But I was on a mission to improve my style and composition, and I think my next meow is painting metal somehow. It's about glitter makeup and a shiny dress, but it does go far beyond in hopes of trying to impress. For one, suits of armor shining in the sun simply cannot be outdone. They are majestic and mysterious and can even make a bobble head look serious. Gold is actually just a color mix, a combination of just about 6. And it includes a reflection, so you have to go in the right direction. Armor can make a model proud or seem muscular, or just handsomely shiny and spectacular. Plus, who wouldn't want a portrait of old in which they hold an enchanted spear and sword? Though we can paint portraits without a single hiss, there is an important lesson in all of this. Perfect portraits are just the start. There is no end to the mastery of art. And oh my gosh, photos are terrible and dull things, unfair and completely void of magic and feelings. They must be painted to get the portrait right. This is why the world needs painters in all their might. A portrait is not just about the face. We must often fill all the space. There is plenty of room to tell a story, be it superpowers, mystery, or some glory. Perfect portraits are a great might, but to paint them completely right, to make their owner smile, we must paint them in the most colorful style.